What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So today is Friday, but when I post this, I really don't know when I'm gonna post this, but I wanted to film some more content for you guys, get some more videos out there. So that's what we doing, man. It's a little chilly in Florida. It's crazy. It's like 60, 70 degrees, but it feels like it's like 40. And I don't know if it's because I've been in Florida for a minute now. I don't know, honestly. I really have no idea. But yeah, this one's gonna be more of a highway POV. So I hope everyone's doing amazing. Before we even get onto the highway, because we got a minute, somebody was in my DM saying, like, how do you just trust the fact that you know, your channel couldn't like blow up and stuff like that, or how do you like continue to have faith or whatever? I don't know. The way I see it is like, if you really do the math on it, a lot of people hate putting themselves out there anyway, right? So if you post a video at least once a week, you're already ahead of the pack, right? Some people are posting 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes people post once a day. If you do the math, the more you post, the more you're gonna be ahead of everyone else. And keep in mind, social media is a very small percentage of what the actual population is. There's billions of people, but only a couple 100,000 are trying to be creators, trying to, you know, promote their stuff. So if you think about it, you're actually way further ahead than most people. People don't really think about it like that because they just sit and think like, oh my god, there's so many other creators, how am I gonna stand out? It's really not about standing out, because a lot of people just copy each other's trends and then just do the same thing but just add a little twist to it. So it's not really a lot of like, okay, you're trying to be original. You might have a phrase or something that you say that's different, or your style of video is different, but that's really it. It's nothing really, you know? Or the way you drive in your car videos might be different from the way someone else drives. So it's just, oh my gosh, bro. I'm sorry, they're just going way too slow for me. Way too slow. My guy hustling, man. He's working. I always give everyone props that's out here with physically demanding jobs. That dude looks much older too. With a physically demanding job like that, it's tough. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do to provide for your family, man. But yeah, honestly, you can really tell the ones that like actually like making content versus the ones that's just like in it for the money or in it for something short term. Like, I'm coming up on a year soon, and I don't know, it's just, I don't even care about the money, honestly. I mean, it's cool, but I'm not like, oh my god, I have to post because I'm trying to make 30K a month. Like, it's a little hobby. And it's fun because you get to connect with people all over. The networking is much easier because as your brand grows, more people know you. You don't really have to, like, you know, introduce yourself and do the whole, I do this, I do that. Like, people already know. So that's like the one plus for me, honestly. And the one thing I do want to say is, like, shorts are gonna become saturated. The same way that everybody hold on. The same way that everybody a couple years ago was all posting these like long vlogs, and now those really long vlogs aren't really doing as good as YouTube Shorts right now because everybody hopped on the wave. It's like, hold on, let me close the window a little bit, but you gotta really hop on the waves early. Hop on them when they're hot, get your followers, and then have them stick with you, and then just ride it out until the next wave comes. But right now, YouTube Shorts is the way to go. I don't care what nobody says, bro. You could literally get 20K subscribers in one day if your video goes viral. You multiply that, you'll be at 100K in like a couple months. That's really what's going on with this channel. I don't really care about the long form content. This is just fun to me. Like, posting these little videos is fun, it's easy. Editing is not hard because you're just filming, and it's perfect because I don't have to color grade, because with this GoPro it automatically color grades for me. It makes everything all even, so everything works out. All I bought was this wide angle lens, which is why everything looks so magnified in the car. But that's really it. I mean, this is just fun to me. But shorts I post every day because your views will go up, then they'll go down, and then another video goes viral, and then they all go viral. I'm telling you, I've done it multiple times. Watch, mark my words, 100K is coming very soon, I promise. But now that we're on the highway, let me shut up, let me play some music, and we just gonna vibe out. Cause you know, that's how we do with these highway POVs, man. So let's vibe out real quick, let's see.
Your body's too tight in the mind for you to keep fucking around. You nigga keep talking about me, promise I'ma do something to help. Just give me your body out of my bed, I'm on that other way. Oh, your body touching on your body, fucking on your body, I'm gonna do it again. Let's get, don't stay bitch, I'm talking about straight running in. I'm so busy, times, all I'm going to work, so man. Yeah, I'm having too many riches and too many bitches, that's why I'm not fucking no fish. All my babies get up, but my words is important, I'm feeling it like a knife. Bitch, be swallowing dicks on the jury and spit and feeling me fantastic. She wanna eat my dick right now, I'm beating her bad dick. Enough is enough. Take your time with me, watch the rise. Come confide in me, keep it on the hush. You been like this ice, I don't wanna fuss. Let's get back to us. Your pussy for me is a must. Said you tried, it wasn't enough. Every time I see you, my dick in a rush. Keep it on the concrete, from behind and in the suds. I don't know what's going on, you ain't on my body. You don't even write me, the mother bitches don't excite me. We don't have a face down, maybe you would sky me. Feeling on your waistline, looking like an icy. He ain't got no pockets, you fucking on him. Your body too tight like a mother for you to be fucking on him. It's hopping on him, for you to be loving on him. After I hit that switch, don't get back, shit, I will touch him again. Stop asking me how, so let's see again. Fuck, put on me back and I put my thumb in. I'm thinking casting me on such a pussy, that's not a cup. Your nigga keep talking shit like he ain't pussy. Shit is up, and it's stuck. I don't need love, you know what I need. Dick in her guts, making her scream. Put my dick in her guts, and I'm making her scream. No, no, no. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, no, no, no. I'm gonna give some just like this.
This song is kind of stupid, but the beat goes hard. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of stupid, but the beat goes hard.
Hey, what you say, bitch? Say, bitch. Get out my face, bitch. Hey, they can't take this. Say this. I got no bait, bitch. Hey, what you say, bitch? Say, bitch. Get out my face, bitch. Hey, they can't take this. Say this. I got no bait, bitch. Hey, this bitch fake. I go ape. Get up out my
The song is stupid as hell, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I just started watching this, not to get off topic, but I just started watching this Porsche driver here. I think he's in Sarasota, Florida, or something like that. He posts like daily content of his Porsche. I'm guessing he daily drives his Porsche and his beautiful Porsche. But it's dope seeing like someone with a fast car, you know, Porsche, whatever, daily driving his car. Like, there's nothing better than that. And I'm not gonna lie, like, after watching some of his videos, it's really making me want to really like go for Porsche next. Only just because of the reliability factor, and everyone that has a Porsche likes it. So it's like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the V6, but I mean, they sound amazing once you put a nice exhaust and everything on there. So I don't know. I'm confused because I like it. Porsche is an amazing car, and the fact that, you know, you could tell they're built really good if you're able to drive them every day, right? So it's the best thing about it. Shout out to that guy. That guy's a real one. He moved over. See me coming. Yeah, let's get back to the music. I'll shut up for now. I'll shut up. Is that a cop? Oh, okay. Just had to make sure. Had to make sure. Ads right now on SoundCloud. But yeah, man, I always appreciate everyone watching no matter what. I'm mainly focused on shorts right now. This I just do for fun and just pump out content, but I'm not really trying to be like famous off posting long form videos and stuff like that. It's fun, but I'm not like every day I gotta bang these out. So let's see.
They let me down and I gave him a chance again. They let me down. Cut him out like a thread on the jeans. Cut him out like the tag on the deal. Cut it out, you ain't getting no green. New bag and I've been on the road. Double cup and get sold and get pulled. Keep it low cause you know they be known. Yeah, money, that's all you need to know. Who at the top and I don't really care cause I need that spot. I need a beam of the Benz to the Bentley, yeah, that whole lot. I give them chance after chance after chance and they fly. Blowing, I could've went D1, I swear they moving too funny, no D1 pop. Okay, they moving like birds, just tell them don't get flopped. They spreading the word, the next thing I heard is he got dropped. Put the money up and bet it on me, I swear it's a lot. I was drinking right there in the store, still good with the eyes. Drill out of dollar signs, psych. Going crazy. I mean, you got a power. Oh, yeah, you will. I had to spin away, probably when he looked so fine. And shit, I never had to say, he already stole my line. And sometimes I gotta say, it was really worth my crime. Oh, God, you will. Oh, God, you will. Yes, you will. I keep on telling you it's okay, even though it's never gonna be okay. I was going through a whole phase, I was trying to figure out some whole things. I was caught up on my old thing, I was trying to go and get my new thing. With my old thing, get my new thing, do some old things. Got my new thing, see her old thing going crazy. It never makes sense. I try to do it good, but I can never get a win. I'm done trying to go and make amends. It's cool if I gon' take a L one time. I might wish you well sometimes, still be wishing you ain't well sometimes. I be thinking too hard, thinking they go too far. I be thinking too large, we be good for one star. Even though my time to be running fast, I don't think to move on. I can't ever find what it was I had, I ain't wishing no star. Oh, yes, you will. Oh, yes, you will. Oh, yes, you will. Tell me you'll be okay, it's been a minute, girl, I wanna hear what you wanna say one time. That's how I had to spin away, probably when he looked so funny. And shit, I never had to say, he already stole my line. And sometimes I gotta say, he was really worth my crime.
guys, I'm getting off the highway now. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.